It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times. Asio Dozere Mamelodi Sundowns defeating, dismissing Marumo Gallants. Although towards the end of the game, Marumo Gallants scored a penalty, Kabatino Mango missed it, and then he scored within a few minutes from then on. Although the match was already over at that point. Well done to Mamelodi Sundowns. Very decent professional performance. Bobo, how did you make it, game, sir?
Yeah, Gulego Unjan Pram.
Yes, sir.
It was not a fluke. I'll tell me Uguti Sundowns. Ishaya bombaba neSwallows ngale score ngitshelile ngathi mina yes imbaba neSwallows singayijaja the way sijaja ngakhona but let's look at lokho abadlali abakwenzayo ukuze ukuthi sikhone ucreate lawo ama opportunity then we convert those chances. I think Sundowns they played very well today. Mawungabheka size nge 3-4-3 and namhlanje ngifuna ukunikeza credit especially ku defense eMamelodi Sundowns bheka umdlalo ofana noLubusa today. I think ama goal out 2-3 build up icala kuye. I think it was a third third assist kula magol we Sundowns uLubusa. He played very well today for mina anokekane lapha emuva ubuka umrena siyawadinga lama space abasinikeza wona eMarumo Gallants ukuthi Sundowns ikhona ukwasebenzisa because I think ucoach lento bekayisho ukuthi ubheke transition too much. Mawungabheki Sundowns we can knock the ball around njengoba besidlala but quick ukuthi uma singabe sisehafini yabo sifika kanjani ku final third and ilento le Sundowns beyikwenza today and sibanikeza isikhathi esincane sokucabanga ukuthi ba regroup bafuna uzo defend we understand. So I think coach Manqoba kunento kunomehluko awenzile especially mawungabheka manje the transition ye Sundowns most of the time masilwina sinokuthi sinokhi ball around then ba regroup then sifuna ukuthi sidlale ngala ma pockets but now bheka the influence yakabo Matthews ubheke uMatthews de uyadlala ngakhona ubheke umdlalo ofana no Nithubani uMudiba we understand they played very well bano Alende uLucas as a number 10 you play like that uLucas bheke uyeza zolanda uyakhona ukuthi akunikeze something uma fika ku final third unlike umdlalo ofana noAlende namhlanje missed two clear chances. I think bekumele ngabe ana brace today. So congratulations to coach Manqoba the way team ibona idlala ngakhona. Sundowns they played very well today and introduce some of the players laba most of the time angabadlalisi ngibona ku interact ukuthi rotate team yakhe ngalendlela.
Yeah, good leadership from Ronan Williams. Immediately you notice at first mangena uPeter Shalulile ukuthi he sacrifices his own armband, he gives it to his teammate, he understands ukuthi he's not on form at the moment, he's giving him that confidence. What did you think about that moment?
Yeah, it shows ukuthi team woman unity as players you can do izinto ezifana nalezi. I like uRonza Tewa ngakhona. If you remember naku national team iyazenza izinto ezifana nalezi. I remember kumdlalo ofana noMufukeng aya ku coach amtshela ukuthi coach ngicela ukuthi ulethe lentwana. So uRonza udlala indima enkulu kakhulu kuMamelodi Sundowns. Ngakutshela ngathi mina siyamdinga umuntu ofana noRonza. Not like ukuthi some of the goalkeepers they are not doing well ku Sundowns but uRonza it's a leader. Like uyambona ukuthi uRonza nguye umuntu esimdinga kakhulu kuMamelodi Sundowns. So I think ukuba khona kwaRonza nokuthi amnikeze uShasha uyabona ukuthi confidence kuShasha manje sinswela ngakori confidence down. So you need abantu abafana nabo Ronza ukuthi bakulethe egamini as abangama teammates wakho unlike ukuthi ulinde mhlawumbe abo coach elineni kube yibo abazokuphusha but I like uRonza the way enza izinto ngakhona ku Sundowns.
Yeah, let's talk about Tashreeq Matthews. He doesn't play much. He's a very good player. Number one, what is his position? Sundowns? What is his role? Can you describe it for us? Number two, what is it going to take for him to be number one kuleyo role? Because he seems to be, but he doesn't get it enough. This is not a criticism, actually. I'm just saying that he has to fight for that place. But what is his best position? Is he a number 10? Is he a forward, an attacker? What do you see his role as a Sundowns?
You know, uMatthews ungumdlali odlala as a number 10, uyadlala as number 10 ekuwinga. Sometimes uyadlala as ku false number ku number 9. Mongambheka uyakhona ukuya deep. Sometimes mabadlalisa nge-lone striker uyakhona ukuthi adlale as a second striker uMatthews. And it's good. Into engichaza ngoMatthews the qualities are now uMatthews. Decision making yakho Matthews. Bheka le bhola lela linikeze uReyners. Uyabona ukuthi ne-eyesight yakhe uyayisebenzisa uMatthews. So it's good. Mina ngibona as a number 10 uMatthews ngomunye umdlali o-right kakhulu for bona. If you can play him njengoba mdlalisa Lucas the understanding yabo. I think into enza ukuthi Matthews abe ngale ndlela le ngibona ngayo.
Yeah. Sundowns, before I let you go, been a poor start to the season, not too poor, but
Yeah.
of course you got knocked out to the MTN 8. Kwane Nkulumo. Manje, you're starting to pick up. Is this the right time? Because when I was asking Utsono Junior at the beginning, kune pressure kumanqoba, I said maybe in 2 weeks' time, maybe it might be different. Do you kind of feel like ukuthi manje usitholile isikhathi sanele from a pre-season, from the couple of games at the beginning of the season, umqeqeshi ukuthi this is now the right time? Maybe they are starting to hear him. The players are starting to understand what he wants from them.
Uyazi kumele ihambe iduma ngalendlela lenkulu ngifuna ukutshela iVaru mina I think manje udila ngementality abadlali bebasengaka understand the way ucoach kumele ukuthi badlale ngakhona, you understand, but now ngiyacabanga ukuthi ba understand ukuthi ucoach ufuna abadlale kanjani, and ngiyababongisa abadlali ukuthi ba switch on with the style of play saka coach, because mawungabheka siye sa struggleisha lapho nalapho njengoba ngikutshela ngithi uma udlala nama team njengoba ubonile siluza ku Stellenbosch home and away, I think the understanding of the players nalento ukuthi uma udlala nabo Stellenbosch ufuna ukuzothi ungadefend deep, unikeze Stellenbosch space, iyakunikeza inkinga nje, but bheka manje ukuthi the way badlala ngakhona bayabona ukuthi ama instruction bayawathatha abadlali beSundowns,
even the high line they've adjusted.
The high line ba-adjustile manje basayidlala the high line basasinikeze lesa space ama opponent, you understand. So ngilento engakutshela yona Nkululeko ukuthi it's good ukuthi ucoach adile ngementality yabadlali, but I think manje the moving train manje iqalile Nkululeko, people will understand ngibatshelile ngathi ungapress panic button, as long as khona ukuscora you can try by all means ukuthi concede, because the more consider is the more lose ama game. So I like the way Sundowns ikora ngakhona. We need to score more goals, so that the more uscore ama goals amaningi unama chances amaningi yokuwina game, you understand, and at the same time ukhona ungaconcede more, we understand. So I think Sundowns manje siqalile siyakora, sadlala 3 games singakori, including ama pre-season, but asikwazi ukukora ku Sundowns, but now imagine 3 games 12 goals. Kusho kona ukuthi you must give credit to the coach and the technical team. What they're doing, I think it's good for a team.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Tubobo. He'll come back tomorrow. Kaizer Chiefs versus AmaZulu. And of course, there's a big one on the weekend. Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns. That's going to be fun. We'll enjoy that. For now, well done to Mamelodi Sundowns. Well deserved. It was dominant, really, from the beginning to the end. It is Times. Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.